Welcome to Tally Capital Videos. In this video, you will learn how to apply for a business loan using the WebLink feature introduced in Tally Capital Plugin Release 4.0. This feature allows you to continue or start a new loan application from any device using a web link sent to your email. Once you complete the eligibility check using bank statements, a web link will be sent to the email ID provided during the check. The web link can be accessed on any device like mobile, tablet, or computer. Open the email and click the web link. Enter the mobile number used to check eligibility, followed by the consent code. Once authenticated, you can choose to continue with an existing draft application or create a new application. All draft applications associated with the mobile number used during the eligibility check will be listed here. Select a draft application to continue or click Create to start a new loan application. Let us create a new application. Once you click on Create, you will be taken to Basic Details screen. Enter the business details like company name, address, PIN code, state, and city. Under Loan Details, select the type of loan required and enter the loan amount. Enter the partner details. If you want to upload any additional bank statements, select the account type and upload the required bank statement. While submitting documents during the application process, you can enter the password if the document is password protected. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. It is recommended to use the back and next buttons provided at the bottom of the screen to move between sections. Avoid using your browser's forward or back buttons, as this can interrupt your loan application flow. Now, you will be taken to the Business KYC section. Select the business ownership type and submit the required documents. Once done, click Next to go to the Promoter KYC section. Details such as name of promoter and other applicant details will be pre-filled as per the eligibility check done earlier. Enter the residential address and select the residence type. Upload the required documents. You can also upload any other optional documents if required. Repeat the same steps for all promoters and co-applicants if applicable. Once done, click Next. Now, you will be taken to the Financial Documents section. If your loan amount exceeds Rs 15 lakh, it is recommended to upload GSTR 3B and annual reports. Else, you can skip this section. Once done, you will be taken to the Review and Submit section. Here, you can review all the details entered during the loan application and edit the details if required. Once you are done reviewing, click on Submit. And that's it, your loan application will be submitted successfully. Also, note that if you drop off midway during the loan application on the web link, don't worry. You can continue the application later using the same web link. Your application will be saved under the list of draft applications. Also, a draft application will be saved in the Tally Capital plugin in Tally Prime. Since both the platforms are in sync, the loan application will be saved and can be picked up right where you left off. Thank you.